Okay, so I'm going to show you erase a hole. It might look better this way. So here are the holes where I just took down my shelving unit. And I'm going to go ahead and fill them in. Okay, so you just take it and just rub it on over. And it fills it in, just like that. And then you kind of just smooth it on out. And it's done.
Then if you have some extra on this side, you can just rub it off right in there. Boom. And then just smooth it out. Okay, so it's a bit messy, so then you just want to go through and just clean it up. And I will do this for every single one. And then you'll have less of a paint job if you are going to paint over it. But technically, I think you just have to fill the holes when you leave an apartment and whatnot. So anyhow, I'm going to do that for all of these. And last, you're going to want to wipe off these edges as well before you store it, so you keep it in good shape. So this is the final outcome. Nice and clean. I can put the cap back on, store it, and use it again in the future. Thanks for watching!